Canon has launched the EOS M50, its latest interchangeable lens mirrorless camera that's geared towards entry-level users. It also happens to be Canon's first M-series camera to feature 4K video recording. The camera will be available in April for a retail price of $780, roughly Rs 50,600, or you'll be able to get it with the EF M50 to 45mm f/3.5-6.3 IS STM lens for $900, roughly Rs 58,400, and with the EF M15 to 45mm f/3.5-6.3 IS STM and the EF M55 to 200mm f/4.5-6.3 IS STM for $1,249, roughly Rs 81,000. The EOS M50 packs in a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with Canon's new DIGIC 8 image processor. Besides shooting at 4K resolutions, the camera will also be able to shoot HD high frame rate video at 120 fps. The camera also features a built-in OLED electronic viewfinder, EVF, with touch and drag autofocus system. There's also a fully articulating touchscreen LCD display, dual-pixel autofocus system and a new silent mode. The Canon EOS M50 also features connectivity options like Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth so it can be connected to a smartphone for remote shooting and sharing images. Canon also announced the EOS Rebel T7, EOS 2000D, which is an entry-level DSLR featuring an APS-C sensor, optical viewfinder, and built-in wireless connectivity options. This will be available in the US in April with the EFS 18 to 55mm f3.5-5.6 IS 2 lens for $550, roughly Rs 35,700. Our core goal when developing new entry-level interchangeable lens cameras for our consumers is to meld high-quality features and usability together. In listening to our customers, we believe we have achieved this goal with both the EOS M50 and EOS Rebel T7, said Yuichi Ishizuka, President and Co., Canon USA, Inc. With enhanced features for photographers of all skill levels to enjoy, both cameras demonstrate Canon's commitment to developing and manufacturing best-in-class quality imaging solutions.